The new edition of In the Footsteps of Marcellin Champagnat, Marist Educational Mission, is a living document inspiring us to keep the evangelization of children and young people, especially the least favored, as the main aim of our mission. Some highlights of the document are as follows. Chapter 1, In the Footsteps of Marcellin Champagnat, emphasizes the context of our Marist mission. Following in the footsteps of Marcellin, we carry out our mission in the spirit of following Jesus and fulfilling God's mission. Within this context, Marcellin is the inspirational source that energizes the Marist educational mission. He initiated this mission in his time with his first followers to bring hope and the message of Jesus' love to children and young people. This legacy continues to be our call as Marist today to undertake God's mission in the same manner as Marcellin did. Chapter 2, Marist in Mission in the Church and in the World, highlights the collective responsibility of both male and female educators for the Marist mission. Guided by the Spirit, we follow Champagnat's example within our educational communities, leading with confidence, optimism, and embodying Marist apostolic spirituality. Our lives serve as joyful testimonies alongside Mary, guiding others toward a deeper relationship with Jesus. Chapter 3, Present among children and young people, especially those least favored, underscores our commitment to journey alongside children and young people, particularly those who are marginalized, through Marist Youth Ministry. We emulate Marcellin's compassionate spirit as we strive to provide them with an integral education. Our dedication to this mission prompts us to be alert to the signs of the times. We express our love for them by actively reaching out to address their challenges and by cultivating a nurturing environment and defending their rights. Chapter 4, We are Sowers of the Good News, highlights our role as disseminators of the gospel, following in Champagnat's footsteps with a mission to make Jesus Christ known and loved. Similar to him, we view holistic education as the means to guide children and young people towards a personal faith experience and to nurture their development into good Christians and virtuous citizens. Chapter 5, with a distinctive Marist style, emphasizes love as the cornerstone of God's mission and Marcellin's educational philosophy. Encapsulated in the principle to educate children properly, we must love them and love them all equally. This principle gives rise to key characteristics of our educational approach, following in the way of Mary, family spirit, presence, simplicity, and love of work. Chapter 6, within our educational ministries, recognizes schools, social centers, and higher education institutions as integral parts of our Marist educational ministries. Guided by Marcellin's educational philosophy and inspired by Mary's example, these ministries serve as hubs for learning, community life, evangelization, and innovation. Within each of these centers, children and young people are equipped to excel in learning to know, to do, to be, to live together, and to become agents of transformation. Looking Beyond serves as a reminder to remain faithful, following in Marcellin's footsteps in service to education and evangelization. Each day we answer God's call by embracing the vision to look beyond. With Mary as our guide, we approach the present and future with joy, courage, and hope.